missed an epic intraday GJ long and did a very nice EU short. Let's roll the intro. Ooh, I'm so excited. Today was a great day. I increased the account roughly 1% with one trade on EU, although I missed an epic GJ long. So let's take a look first on the EU short. Let's pull it over. Okay, so as you can see here, this was the entry, this was the first partial, around 5 pips, and this was the second half of the trade, closed down here for 20 and some pips. Now let's switch over to TradingView to review the trade. So here it is. The reasoning behind the trade was this. This is a volume profile left over. Let me delete it. Okay. On the 1 hour chart, this was an order block. So buy before the sell. The buy took liquidity on top of these highs, and the sell broke structure. And then I was waiting for the price to tap into the zone. The refined zone is here. And let's switch to the 5-minute just to give you an idea why I chose this zone. So I chose the entire zone and put the bottom of the zone just above the imbalance left open here. There was still some, on the other candles there was no imbalance, and as you can see the price tapped in, but I didn't enter on this step into this zone, but I entered based on the 1-minute chart. Why here? Because for me that was the first break of structure. Okay, and this was the last buy to sell, and yeah, the price tapped in and then reversed. There was a second entry here also, that was a test. This last buy to sell, and then the price just melted down. So yeah, that's it about the EU trade. I will talk more about it on the second part of the video, which is packed with some gems, Wyckoff, Fractal, nature of the price, and a textbook order block. Now, just for the record, let's take a look at the GJ trade that I've missed on the live account, or the not live, but on the challenge account of MyForex So this is the trade 1 to 17. To be honest, I would put the stop loss at least below this low, so the risk to reward gets smaller. Now, why I choose this entry? As you can see, the price just tapped into this zone. Okay, this was the displacement in price. So the sudden buy that took liquidity from all these highs, and here is the last 1 minute candle before the break of structure. The price returned, tapped into the zone, and yeah, I made 60 pips on this one on demo. The trade is recorded live because I had a live Discord session at the time. Yeah, I missed the trade on my challenge, but it happens. This was an aggressive entry. You can check the recorded live session. The link is right now on the upper right corner and also in the description down below. Okay, now the second part of this video, and let's take a look at a textbook order block. A textbook order block, in my opinion, should take out liquidity and break structure. So this is a bearish order block, and a bearish textbook order block should take the liquidity from the highs, so the buy, and the sell candle should break structure. That's it. And then you wait for the mitigation. The mitigation happened roughly around 50% of the order block. Yes, you could refine the order block on a lower time frame. This one was refined on a 5 minute, and I took this buy before the sell just to this wick here, because there was some imbalance left open between this wick here and this wick here. So this is the imbalance, and this was my OB. Okay, there was also an early entry here, but I missed this one, and of course the second entry here from which I took the trade. Let's go to the part about Wyckoff. I didn't mark the Wyckoff schematic in advance. This was done just for the purpose of this video, and I believe it's on this 3 minute, and Wyckoff 1. Ta-dam! So, okay, it's a little bigger. Okay. Preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test, sign of weakness in the B phase, UT. The UT should ideally be above the buying climax. This one is not. No Wyckoff schematic is perfect. No Wyckoff schematic is the same. But yes, then we have the uptrust after distribution and a small test here on the break of structure on the lower time frame, even lower here. I don't know what is LPSY, but whatever. And the LPSY, the sign of weakness, and then comes the mitigation of this order block, which was, you believe it or not, another Wyckoff schematic. And here it is, Wyckoff 2. Preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test, sign of weakness in B. uptrust, uptrust after distribution, test, LPSY, sign of weakness or sign of weakness down here, whatever you want to put it. And yes, now you have also an idea of the fractal nature of the market. The first was a bigger Wyckoff schematic, and the second Wyckoff schematic was the schematic for the test of the first one. So order block and order block 2.0. We have also an order block. Let's find it. Let's clear the Wyckoff. We have another order block. Order block up here, so which was already tested. So even this order block took liquidity from these highs, and the price went lower, and after the price left with this candle here, the order block was mitigated a part of, and then the price went down. But I expect this zone to be mitigated one other time, most probably. And now it's Asian session and the consolidation, most probably another Wyckoff schematic down here. We'll not try to mark it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, you know where to put them. If you like the video, you also know what to do. If you want to get notifications about the next videos, you also know what to do. Also, you can find me on the Discord server. The link to join the server is in the description down below. See you on the next one. Bye bye.